Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a twin linked rule in Warhammer 40k 10th edition. To do this, first you will need to check if a weapon with a profile has a twin linked underneath. If it has, then you'll be able to use it. And what it does is it allows you to reroll wound rolls during a fight or shooting phase. So first you make hit rolls. So let's say that we scored 2 hits. Now we make a wound roll, and let's say that we failed that wound roll with 1, but the twin linked rule allows us to re-roll that failed dice, so we can take it and just re-roll it. But in this case I think it failed anyway. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.